title of this video, yeah, you finally found out that Integra's motor blew up. And the worst part, it blew up when my brother was dropping me off. When my brother was dropping me off to school. We literally have like 20 minutes left, so we live close by, I believe. It blew up to our intern school. That sucks, bro. But we got the new motor already. That's gonna be like the next video. I'll give a little. I can't talk right now. I'll give a little sneak peek at the end of the video. We don't know what blew up yet. I think it was my brother told me it was the pistons, the one that got out, but I don't know. Right now the Teggy's in my brother's house, our other brother's house, in his garage. But we're gonna bring it back and put the motor in. Yeah. What else? We traded the wheels, the Toyos, and the rims for it, because my brother didn't really like the rims, but he felt bad leaving the Toyos, but it's whatever. He got a new motor. It's a B16, I think it's a B1. I don't even know, but it's a B16. It was pretty clean. Good. It came with a Type R manifold and a throttle body, skunk tooth throttle body. Put the parts that the B18 had into this B16. So yeah, we got the old rims they had, we put them back on. But he's gonna get new tires for them. So like, yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Subscribe if you're new, that would really help us out. Like, and yeah, thanks for watching. Oh shit, the Teggy Mobile's motor blew up just when school's about to start. So I need to get my mom's keys so my brother can drop me off over there. Fuck. Chill right now. Where's my cat? Make sure he doesn't go out. Okay, stay there. Fuck, did he go? Oh, they're right there. Show you right now. Lock the door. Here we are, my brother's house. Wheels are going off. We're gonna sell those. He's just been sitting in my brother's house.
The switch to the VTEC, top them off on any time I feel like it.
LLS? Yeah. Trash or tracking?